In this video, I will demonstrate how to add payment icons to your Shopify store. To add icons, start by clicking on Online Store, then click on the three dots and select Edit Code. Now click on the search box and search for footer, then open the file named footer.liquid. On the opened file, press Ctrl F on your keyboard to search for copyright. Be careful not to change or delete any code, or your website will break. Now please remember the following text. Now open up a new tab and go to this website that says Host to be, and select the payment icons you want. Click the Generate Script button and copy the script by clicking the Copy Script button. Then go to the tab where you have opened the footer file. Before the small tag, paste the script and then click on the Save button. Now go to your web store, refresh the page, and you will see payment icons on your Shopify store.